I've got a question for you. Is 4Patriots a scam? Eek! Hey friends, Danielle here, and before we get started, let me answer that question right now with a resounding no. 4Patriots is not a scam. However, because we're at the forefront of the survival market, we get a lot of attention, which also means there are some potential 4Patriots fake outs you'll want to avoid. Basically, there are folks out there that are up to no good. They see all the amazing 4Patriots reviews we have and how loyal our customers are.
4Patriots products have been the best emergency supplies that I've ever purchased.
Pick up anything from 4Patriots and you will not regret it.
You ain't doing 4Patriots, you ain't doing it right.
And they decide, hey, let's pretend to be them and make a quick buck. Real class acts. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Not only do I want to teach you how to spot some of these 4Patriot scammers, but also I want to leave you with some tips and tricks that will help keep you safe on the internet too. But before we get to that, be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel. And don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video. And we've got some more awesome videos in store you won't want to miss, like this one. Okay, so back to the subject at hand. If you are interested in 4Patriots gear, how do you make sure you're getting a genuine 4Patriots product, like our popular emergency food kits or solar generators? Let me tell you. First up, avoid clicking on social media ads that may look like 4Patriots, but are not from the company. Some of those ads may look like this. Yeah, that's not us. Always check the URL to be sure. You can find that in the address bar at the top of your internet browser. Our website will always have 4patriots.com, so you know it's from us. Or do what I do and just go to 4patriots.com to shop instead. Second, do not accept any unsolicited direct messages on Facebook or Instagram from anyone claiming to be from 4Patriots. Our customer service agents don't communicate through Facebook unless the customer initiates it. And lastly, always be skeptical of social media profiles and pages claiming to be 4Patriots. Instead, start at our website, 4patriots.com, and connect to our social media through the buttons on the page. We'd love for you to follow us or even tag or hashtag us and show off your favorite emergency food kits or solar generators. And that's it. Now, not only will these tips work for 4Patriots, but you can use these same tips while shopping for anything else online too. They'll help you stay safe and protected. Just remember, 4Patriots is one of the most trusted names in survival for good reasons, because we take your trust seriously. We go the extra mile to make sure every order is right with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. And not just for 30 days, but for an entire year. And you can always check out what real customers are saying by reading our online 4Patriots reviews or by calling our customer service professionals at 1-800-304-4202. They are awesome folks that are based right here in the USA. After you do those two things, you'll be able to see for yourself why we've become an icon in the preparedness industry, and that we value our customers more than anything. Well, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that these tips and tricks will help you feel more confident spotting scams while you shop online. Do you have any tips or tricks to share with us? We'd love to hear them. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time, and stay safe surfing the web.